Hello, my name is Michael and I'm the facilitator for the upcoming Emotional Intelligence course. I'm passionate about emotional intelligence. I've seen how it's helped leaders and individuals in teams and in private lives actually increase their success. I'd like to talk to you about why you should be attending this course and the benefit you will gain from actually attending the course. IQ is fixed. No matter at what time in your life you have your IQ taken, it really remains the same. It allows you to get onto the playing field. However, emotional intelligence is not fixed. The more you understand and are able to manage your emotions within the workplace as well as in your private lives, you can grow your balance sheet. And that's the wonderful thing about EQ. And EQ is what makes you successful. IQ just allows you to be part of the team. Emotional intelligence helps you build stronger relationships, helps you succeed at work and achieve your career and personal goals. It also helps you to connect with your feelings, turn intention into action, and helps you make informed decisions about what matters most to you. EQ is the ability to identify and regulate your own emotions and understand the emotions of others. A high EQ helps you build those relationships, reduce team stress, diffuse conflict, and improve job satisfaction. EQ is important for everyone who wants to be successful in both their career and their personal lives. And I'd like to share with you 5 benefits that I believe you will obtain and walk away with from attending this course. EQ will allow you to actually integrate and work better as a team and as a team member. EQ will help you deal with changes, and we're all going through changes we could never have predicted 2 or 3 years ago. EQ and understanding how to manage your EQ will help you go through that journey of change. EQ helps you handle those tough conversations. It helps you actually resolve and diffuse conflict. It is an essential people skill. Technical ability is one thing, but being able to build personal relationships that actually add success to yourself, your organization, and your private life are critical for survival. High EQ is a key feature of being successful in both your business and your private life, and is a requisite for being a successful and strong leader. So I look forward to seeing you on the course. IQ gets you the job. EQ gets you promoted.